Dear student, today I discuss the chapter capacitor and dielectrics. In this chapter, I discuss the topic potential energy of charged capacitor. So in the process, electrons are transferred from positive plate to negative plate. Suppose we increase the charge from Q dash to Q dash plus dQ dash, then potential difference between the plates at that instant will be itna. Last class I discussed V is equal to Q upon CV, so that become V dash equal to Q dash upon C. So when the charge brings from positive to negative or reach from positive to negative, in this situation charge will be doing some work, that is the work has to be done is dW equal to V dash dQ dash. So you know beta V dash is Q dash upon C into dQ dash. I hope there is no any problem beta, okay, in this step, okay. Now dQ dash, so therefore the total work done in charging the capacitor, the final charge Q will be, so here dW total work done will be integration 0 to Q dash upon C into dQ dash. So work done will be 1 upon C 0 to Q dash dQ dash. So now integrate 1 upon C Q dash square upon 2 0 to Q. So on integration W become 1 upon C. First we put the upper limit Q square by 2, then lower limit, that is 0 here. So W is equal to 1 upon 2 Q square upon C. This is the one relation. This work done will be stored in capacitor in form of potential energy. So U become half Q square upon C. This is the first shape. We know that Q is equal to C into V. Now putting there, U is equal to half C into V square upon C. The U is equal to half C square V square upon C. 1 C cancel. So this become U is equal to half CV square. This is the another shape of potential energy. I hope this is clear. And now also you can put the V is equal to Q upon C in first and second this one. So now relation is half CV square and Q square upon C. Two shapes are here. So another form you can got it the, if you putting the value of C, Q is here, Q is here. So this become this and this shape, and if you put the value of C is equal to Q upon V there, so U become half Q square upon C, that is a Q upon V. So this is a Q square upon into V upon Q cancel. So this another shape beta. U is equal to half Q into V. This is another shape. So three relation you can got it the by using that formula. This is 1, 2 and 3. So there are three shapes. This is the use of for potential energy of charged capacitor during any question. You can is very important relation for future. Okay, I hope all are clear.